Hi, I'm Carol Rivet from carol.ws, and I wanted to do an update or a video about my favorite topic in the whole world, Global Domains International, or GDI for short. Now, if you're new to my channel, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe and share it to somebody if you feel that this would help them too. Okay, but Global Domains International has been around since 1999. It's a debt-free Fortune 500 company, number 37 on the Fortune 500. It has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, and the products you get are a domain name, web hosting, an easy website builder that has drop and drag technology, and you have professional email addresses and a WordPress blog. So it's basically the way I explain to another idea to look at it is it's similar to GoDaddy with what you get at GoDaddy, except Global Domains International, or GDI, pays you to use their products. They pay you to set up a website or set up a WordPress blog. That's pretty cool. Okay, now if you're not sure on how to set up a website or a page or anything, that's okay. If you're looking at GDI as mainly an income opportunity, as an affiliate, that's mainly what I use it for too. And my team has some really great resources. And this is what I wanted to go over today, was our resources for Global Domains International, or GDI, our marketing system that I personally use. And so you know that GDI is legit. Again, carol.ws, that's my domain name. That's the domain that I got from GDI. And I use it to forward it to my marketing system, my team's marketing system. And it's the same marketing system, the exact same marketing system you can get too. And here's, you can see, this is June 9th, the check was sent out, and right now it's June 26th, so this is an updated video. So when you do sign up with GDI or any online business, make sure the video is updated, because a lot of times these videos stay on for years, and like I said, GDI's been around since 1999, so it's been paying for a long time. But you want to join with an affiliate, whether it's me or not, but you want to join with an affiliate that's still marketing GDI, that's still working it and still using updated materials. Okay, so this is my latest check, $637.50. Okay, and also let me state, this is not a guarantee that you're going to make the same kind of income that I'm making, or that anyone in my downline or my upline is making. Okay, this is not a guarantee. There are no guarantees in life, except, of course, the old saying, death and taxes. Okay, so it all depends on the level that you're at. There's no way I'm going to know on how you'll do in this. And what's wonderful about GDI is it's only $10 a month to get it and to try it. Okay, and you get a free 7-day trial with GDI. So GDI really is set up for newbies, for experienced marketers, for for anybody. Okay, and it is referral marketing. This is multi-level marketing, because you with the system that I'm using, you do need to advertise it, but I also show you where to advertise it and how to advertise it. I show you how I advertise it to get these checks. And my advertising's free advertising. I can't think of anything better than that myself. Okay, so this, again, this is my checks right there. And you can see right here, these smaller checks are with the system, are with Traffic Wave, and that's the autoresponder that the marketing system uses. Now, if you're not certain what an autoresponder is, it's just simply a tool that we use in marketing GDI. It houses our email addresses, because I'm sure you've heard, if you're experienced at all, that the money's in the list. It's important to grow your list. So if you're just starting out, you're further ahead than I was, because it's taken me a long time to get to a point where I'm growing a decent list. Okay, and Traffic Wave, I've been in other autoresponders. They charge a whole lot of money. The bigger your list gets, they can charge hundreds to thousands of dollars for an autoresponder. What I love about Traffic Wave, and you'll see that these are the smaller checks of $16.95, and there's 27, 75, 34. These are like fast start bonuses when somebody first joins, and then they opt in, or not they opt in, when they first join and they sign up and they upgrade. We all get the sponsor gets a fast start bonus of the $17.95 minus the dollar for the fees. Here's more checks that I got in here from Traffic Wave. Okay, this is this is a tool. This is a tool that I use to grow GDI. So this is nice, and Traffic Wave is only $17.95 a month. And then once you get going and you get growing it, then they're actually paying you again to use their tool of an autoresponder, which is basically you just enter. That's where a prospect will come to your page, enter their email for more information, and then you send out, or the autoresponder, I should say, sends out messages on your behalf to the people about the product, about GDI, and why it's a good system. Now, don't freak out because, oh my gosh, now I got to write messages. No, you don't. You don't have to write messages either. Okay? This is what I love so much about my team system. And I did not create it, but I use it. This is what I use. So there is this green page here. This is what I've done. This green page right here is the sales page. You can take that and just use that and advertise with that, or you can use one of the replicated sites in the GDI back office. You don't have to use the marketing system, but if you ask me what I use and what I believe in and what works the best, I'm going to every time say the marketing system, because you want to send up follow-up messages to your prospects. It builds relationship. It gives gives them information about the product. Okay, they can go on Google search and find videos like this. Okay, you want to be front and center in your prospects, thoughts. Okay, and we have converting messages that do really well, and our marketing system focuses on GDI. It doesn't have a bunch of other upsells and one-time offers and different funnel type things. If you want a funnel, I do have a free bonus that you can email me for, and I will give you a free funnel that you can get into. It's a brand new funnel. Okay, I don't have the thing set up for GDI yet with this funnel, but right now this marketing system, which is what I'm using, it doesn't have the upsells and the one-time offers. It just focuses on GDI, which is wonderful. And then of course you get the extra checks. You get the extra checks from Traffic Wave. Okay, again, no guarantee that you're going to be successful with this. No guarantee that you're going to earn money and get checks. But I am not the only one earning money and getting checks, okay? A lot of this is because of my downline that is doing so well, okay? Because they're taking the marketing system, they're taking the resources that I have. I have a resource page where I actually give you my Facebook training. I actually give you generic YouTube videos that you can take and use. And you're on your own YouTube channel. You can upload it to your own YouTube channel and put it down in the description of what GDI is, and I give keywords for GDI, and then you just put your marketing system link in the description, and you're building your list. Okay, you still need to advertise though. When I say marketing system, once you get somebody interested in it and they enter their email, the marketing system takes over. That's how you make money while you sleep. I think Warren Buffett is the one that says if you don't earn money while you sleep, you will work until you die. That's pretty dramatic, but it's kind of the truth, you know? So anyways, this is the marketing system. This is the sales page, which, as I said before, you can get this and take this and use this alone. But these are the capture pages. I set up the separate page here to give everybody an idea of what the capture pages look like. You can see right here is where you enter your email address, and then it reverts, it redirects to this page right here, and they listen to the video about GDI and about the potential money. The gentleman talking on the video makes a lot more money than I do. There are people in GDI that are making a lot of money, and then there's some not as much, and there's me, and there's below me. So there's no guarantee of what you're going to do, okay? But the potential of GDI is just, if you send this system, if you have any kind of marketing system at all, or you're willing to learn and to really just take my resource page and study it, like me and friend me on Facebook and watch what I do and copy what I do, you know, just bring in 5 people and then show them what you did. Give them the same resources that I'm going to give you to use, and show 5 people what you did. Have them do the same thing. Have them copy you. And if those 5 bring in 5, and those 5 bring in 5, all the way down 5 levels, that's what's great about multi-level marketing, is you're earning off of other people's work too. Your success is my success. Your downline success is your success and my success. And their downline success is your referral success, and then your success. It's all linked. It's all together. That's why it's so important to send these resources out. That's why it drives me nuts when somebody will message me and say, "Oh, I see you're in my upline and my sponsor's not working this anymore. Do you have anything for me that I could use that would help me?" Yes, I do. I really do. So anyways, this is the marketing system. These are the capture pages. As I've said before, you get 2 marketing streams, 2 income streams. I'm sorry, 1 marketing system, 2 income streams with this. The GDI, which is what I talked about, and Traffic Wave, which is the tool. GDI is $10 a month. Both have free trials. GDI is a 7-day free trial. Traffic Wave is a 30-day free trial. You don't earn income on Traffic Wave, though, until you upgrade, though. Just a little tidbit. GDI you can upgrade with a credit card or PayPal. Traffic Wave is a credit card, Skrill, I think, and I think PayPal, but I'm not sure. I think it's mainly credit card or Skrill, and then you can see you get, once you upgrade, or once you opt in and you sign up for them, then you get unlimited autoresponders, domain name, domain forwarding, the 11 capture pages to choose from, sales page, follow-up messages, easy follow video instructions. You get my instructions, my video instructions, and how to link it all together. And then you just plug your usernames in for Traffic Wave and GDI into the link once it's all linked together, and you're ready to go. And you get all of that for less than $1 a day once you are upgraded in Traffic Wave and GDI. Okay? It's incredible. It's $10 for GDI and $17.95 for Traffic Wave. Okay? You can get a whole marketing system and 2 income streams within that marketing system for less than $1 a day. Okay? So click the link below and sign up, and then look for your email. Check your email for my resource page, and then you can get this all set up too, and get joining and get building income for life.